Find dy by dx by two ways. That is, in the first method, we solve for y and then find the derivative. In the second method, we find dy by dx by doing implicit differentiation. So first, we are going to solve for y. That is, we divide both sides by x squared so that we get y equals 1 over x squared. And this can be written in power form as x raised to the power of negative 2. So we got the expression for y. We are going to find the derivative of y with respect to x. So I write dy by dx is the derivative of y with respect to x. And this equals, we find the derivative of x power minus 2 using the power rule of derivative. That is, we put the power in front and then raise x to the power of negative 2, negative 1. So let's simplify this. And this equals negative 2x raised to the power of negative 2, negative 1 is negative 3. We can write this in positive powers of x. So therefore this equals negative 2 divided by x power minus 3 can be written as 1 over x power 3. And so this becomes negative 2 divided by x power 3. So this is the derivative of y with respect to x. And this we found by solving for y. We now find dy by dx by doing implicit differentiation of this expression. So here we have to use the product rule. So I'm going to consider this x squared as the first term and this y as the second term. So when we apply the product rule, we write the first term and then multiply with the derivative of y with respect to x, which is dy by dx. We then put the second term, that is y, and then multiply this with the derivative of x squared. The derivative of x squared, according to the power rule, is we put the 2 in front and raise x to the power of this 2, reduce it by 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So basically this equals 2x. And 2x is the derivative of x squared. So we write 2x here. And this equals the derivative of 1 on the right side is 0. So we are going to solve for dy by dx from this one. Let's simplify this. This equals x squared times dy by dx plus we write this as 2xy and this equals 0. First, let's subtract 2xy from both sides so that we can solve for x squared dy by dx and this equals negative 2xy. Now we divide both sides by x squared so that we can solve for dy by dx. And so we get dy by dx equals negative 2xy and this is divided by x squared. In the next step, we will replace the expression for y from the original equation. That is, we have x squared y equals 1. Solving for y, we get y equals 1 by x squared. So let's replace y by 1 by x squared and therefore this becomes negative 2x times 1 by x squared over x squared in the denominator. So let's simplify this. This equals negative 2x. This is divided by x squared and then multiplied with this expression, that is 1 by x squared. Now we can reduce this x with 1 of the x squared. This goes raised to the power of 1. And here we have negative 2 in the numerator divided by this one is x. X times x squared is x cube. So we get the expression negative 2 over x cube, and this is by doing implicit differentiation. This is dy by dx. Now let's check both the dy by dx which we have done in both ways. The first way, that is when we solve for y and then when we found the derivative we get negative 2 by x cube, and after we do by the implicit differentiation, we also got the same result, that is negative 2 over x cube. So we have basically obtained dy by dx. This equals negative 2 by x cube in both ways, that is solving for y and finding derivative, and then by doing implicit differentiation we obtain the same results.